What's going on, everybody? It's your average sneaker guy, and I'm back with another Now, I ain't know what I'm rocking today. I'm back with another overview look at the Air Jordan 4 Military Black. Appreciate that. Man, he come in box. First, we got the flight and the Jumpman on the box. Bam. There go the label. As you can see, I won my size 11. And the box reads Air Jordan 4 Retro White, Black, Neutral Gray, size 11. My size. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these yet, cause I'm kind of up and down. I like them, I don't like them. They hype, they overhype. I'm not a real big fan of a dominant all white shoe, but by the end of this video, I might decide on if I'm gonna keep these or not. I'll let y'all know. But we're gonna take a look at them over that box. These things looking nice. Ooh. They looking crispy already. Bam. Okay, my first thought on these is the quality is perfect. I think Nike knocked it out the park with this. You got the tumble leather right there on the tongue. You got nice suede nubuck right here on the toe box. The paint on the midsole is done perfectly. You got the air bubble right there. Jumpman on the back. That should have been a Nike Air, but that's not my call. Look at that booty. That big booty. And what else we got over here? It comes the media side. Bam. You got your Jordan 4 net with the black mesh in the back. And on the tongue, you got the Jumpman with the flight going down on the tongue with the white laces. I can't wait to see Jay the Sneaker Guy video, because I knew he gonna swap these laces out. The possibility is endless with this black and white shoe. So bam, they go to outsole, normal Jordan 4 outsole. They go to laces, bam, bam, and once again, there go the tumble leather on the toe box, and bam. Am I a big fan of these? No. Do I really like Jordan 4s? No. But did Nike do a good job on these? Yes. Would these? I don't see these sitting, and I also see these selling out, and the resale market gonna go crazy. So, in my opinion, if you get your pair of these, you better keep them, cause in the long run, I can see this shoe going somewhere from around $350 to $400 from a year or two now. But right now they're going for $320. $320 is right now. So this a popular shoe, because I think everybody like this shoe because it's black and white and it go with everything. But once again, me, I don't like a dominant white sneaker, so I'm not too fond of this sneaker. But it's a nice sneaker in its own way, but it's just not for me. So you will not be seeing an on foot of these. Sorry, but yeah. So I'm gonna give you another 360 little bam, 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 bam. Now let me get the thumbnail in. Let me get some thumbnail in. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Which thumbnail should I use? Who knows? But bam, here's your Air Jordan 4 Retro Military Black sneakers. I want to thank y'all for once again tuning in to another video. If y'all made it this far, make sure y'all hit that like button. You rock with your boy. You don't, hit that dislike, and I still appreciate y'all. We on this road to 10K, so if you haven't, come join your average sneaker guy Nation by hitting that sub button. And with that being said, I'm your average sneaker guy, but you know that average don't stand for average. And I'll see y'all in the next video.